starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we've got our first order. This is McDonald's going just under 5 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. There's nothing quite like starting off the day with a no tipper. Total for that one was $4 even, and we're heading back to McDonald's. This one's going to be 6 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Why was that sprinkler not even facing the lawn? Just watering the parking lot, I guess. It looked like they were setting up for a sale today. Nothing too interesting from what I saw. Total for that was $7 and change. I was about to park in my cozy little spot, but I got this order. This is Jack in the Box. This one is going 4.5 miles.
Can you come to the lobby, please?
To the lobby?
Yeah.
Oh, it's open? Okay. Thank you. Total for that order was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is Seize the Bagel. This one's going 5 miles.
And I doubled this for you. So
Gotcha.
there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next order just came in. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $8 and change, and just got the next one. This is Starbucks going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. That was a very blue house. Total for that order was $8. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
DoorDash.
Yeah.
Order for D9 at F3.
Thank you. Total for that order was just under $8. Next up, we have a Jack in the Box going 3 miles. Hello.
Sit right here.
Thank you. Thank you. So apparently the restaurant never received this order, so I had to wait an extra like 10 minutes.
Were you who text me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you for checking your phone. Most people don't at this time. Oh, I'm glad after all that it was a no tip. Total ended up being $7, but we got the next order right away. Hopefully this one's a little better than that. This is McDonald's going just under 5 miles. Total for that was $7, and we just got the next one. This is Black Rock Coffee going 4.5 miles.
There we go.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $8 and change. Pretty good, pretty good. Next order up, we've got a Gravity Coffee going under 3 miles.
Here is that for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, I knew it. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5 and change. It feels like I haven't been here in a while. We got an IHOP, $11 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. go. Have a nice day. I should have left. This one is not worth it anymore. That's way too long. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $11 going 6 miles, 4 items. Two of these. Apparently this is going downtown on a Sunday morning, so this could get a little hectic. We shall see. Also, there was actually no alcohol on this order. Yeah, kind of knew this parking situation was going to be an issue. That, and I'm pretty sure I need a code to get into the building, which of course they didn't provide. This is really fun. This is my second lap around this block because no parking. I was about to call it quits, but finally got an order. We got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $8 going 4 miles, 2 items. Hello. All right, I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 11:09. Total, we are at 107. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.